Hey everybody! It's Monday, you know what that means.
It is Monday's rant. This week's episode, things I hate.
Okay, I don't get what the big hype about Instagram is. It's literally a reminder how you weren't invited to things. It's one of the most depressing things in my life right now. I hate how when people make fun of me because I'm overweight. Like, maybe I'm an expiring plus size model, and I'm modeling the effects of pizza and soda. Like, what have you done? I hate how if I don't start a conversation, there is no conversation. I hate how everybody hates Kristen Stewart because she shows little emotion. I would show very little emotion too if people called me all those things every single day. And also, I'm having conflict with my vampire werewolf boyfriend. You don't know her life. Don't judge her. She's entertaining to most of America. Some people will love her. I hate the fact gay guys are so cute and they don't have a giant sign that says gay on them all the time. Like, I was talking to this really cute guy in Dunkin' Donuts, and it was kind of a flirting thing, and I thought he liked me, and then his boyfriend walked over. I hate the fact, like, Iraq and Arabs are getting so much attention just because they're bombing people. I would bomb people too. Yesterday, someone called me a piece of shit. So I took that as a compliment because maybe she thinks herself as a fly, and flies love shit. Hate others' opinions. I mean, mine's the only one that matters, but the world's not ready for me yet. It will be. All in due time. All in due time. I hate the fact cats get nanars and we're stuck with one life, and it revolves taking care of cats. When someone says no offense, that literally means, I'm about to offend you. Don't hate me for it. You're a slut. I'm glad I said no offense, I believe that could have been bad. Offense taken. I hate how people don't respect me as a legit drug dealer just because I've never sold drugs nor plan on it.